Kyan, which dragon do you have?
Fire!
The fire dragon. I have the glow-in-the-dark dragon. I'm going to attack your pirate ship.
Look, get it!
Oh no, not the shark! Not the shark! Fly away, dragon! Quick, the dragons are coming! I'm going,
Look, come on, this way!
I'm
Get
going to
it!
fly away. I've called my friend, the octopus. I will eat you, and I will kick you with my foot. The shark has been killed, Kyan. The shark has been killed. The shark is gone, Kyan. What are you going to do?
And I'll go shoot you.
Not the pirate ship. Oh no.
I'm going to shoot you. Boo!
Ah,
Boo! Now, look at it.
he's
Boo!
foul. Not the dragon.
Boo!
You beat me. I'm the zombie alien, and I've took over the pirate ship.
Get on pilot thing! Look, I'm a foot!
I've got the special key, and I don't know where it goes to. Where does it go to? Oh, it goes in here?
No.
No. I think it goes in here.
Oh, you got my treasure!
The treasure. Ah, give me all the treasure. Give me all the treasure. I'm gonna take the treasure. All this gold. Give me the gold. Give me the gold. Oh, I have got the gold. This is my pirate ship now, Kyan. I've took over. The treasure X is mine. All mine. Ha ha ha.
Get off. Okay.
The red dragon is attacked.
Let's get bits of it. Okay, that's it.
Rah. Give me
Give me
the
it now.
shark. Rah.
Give me it